You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Okay, let's look at how to pronounce correctly the name of the city in Morocco. We're going to look at the Arabic pronunciation and English pronunciation. So Arabic, the way it's pronounced in Morocco, Moroccan, Chefchaouen, Chefchaouen. Therefore, in English, you can simply pronounce it as Chefchaouen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.